Hi, hello, this is Venkata Prasad. In this video, we are going to know about Function Fog. First of all, what is Function Fog? Function Fog is a time tracking and project management system. It's an intuitive online tool for tracking time and expenses, keeping as to estimate and managing clients and projects. Uh, function Function Fox is a one-step solution for all software projects. It is designed for creative professionals. The software streamlines business process to enhance productivity and profitability, giving creative professionals a better way to handle the time tracking and project management activities. Next, who is Function Fox for? Function Fox for has been designed primarily for creative professionals, solo consultancies, house creating, house creative agencies, and in-house creating groups. But others whose probability depends upon accurate time records and effective software project management have also discovered the advantages of Firefox. Every member of a creative team can benefit from using FunctionFox. Freelancers and consultants, designers and writers, production and project managers, admin staff, experts, CEOs, and member of a creative team can benefit using FunctionFox. If you use FunctionFox, we can benefit. Next, free customer support and onboarding. FunctionFox features. Next, we go into FunctionFox features. FunctionFox support is the best in the business. Our account manager know our product inside out and are able to answer the questions and solve any challenges swiftly. Contact us and a real person with real experience will respond. Next to account preferences and customization. Step up function Fox the way you prefer. Customizing is to fit you like a glow with loads of flexibility, custom fields and status options. The learning curve is a short, sweet and very comfortable. Next, timesheets with stopwatch timer. Function Fox timesheets are easy to complete. You can see only the client's projects and tasks you need, and a stopwatch timer ensures occurrence. It will save your time. And project it will track the project. Take control of all the details, track budgets and estimate status and productivity or see everything. Client projects, expenses, productives and custom fields at a glance. With your CVU, it will estimate the budget of the project and the status and how productivity the project is. Next, we go to project template. Quickly replicate past successful projects with function Fox templates. Each similar project estimates will be more accurate and save both time and money. Customizable projects request from in-house creative groups love function Fox project request forms. Fully customizable, they simply the process of project initiation. Next, communication and collaboration features. Features include Flink document exchange, access rights for freelancers and contractors, a project block with email alerts and comments. Next, benefits of Function Fox. Get rid of time sheet helps stay on top of multiple projects, management resource effectively, manages resources. This is about the Function Fox.